At Nong Wealth, we are passionate about property investing, and we believe in creating powerful networks, sharing meaningful content, and growing as a community. Hence, we have invested heavily in platforms like this where we can learn from each other and, most importantly, support each other. At Nong Wealth, we also believe that property investing is not only a long-term game, but a numbers game. And amongst other things, we have realized and emphasized the importance of affordability, cash flow, and equity, which will be put into perspective today. Lebu and Neo are the co-founders of Nong Wealth and property investors that are passionate about education and networking. So may we please have them on stage, and as they come, I'd actually want us to go through another poll as well and have a discussion. So may you please help me welcome Lebu and Neo back onto the stage. All right, so as they walk up, right, I have another poll for you guys. And what I wanted to ask you, right, is, so we've seen a lot of people basically get into development where you buy land and you develop the land. So you build a structure from scratch. So now my question to you, right, is do you think the development strategy is always cheaper than buying an already built structure? So those of you who say, I think it's cheaper, I want to see the hands. All right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. All right, 6.
Wait. Let's do this.
We write them down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's do this. Please repeat the question.
All right. Do you think the development strategy is always cheaper than buying an already built structure? So we'll get to discuss. I just want votes right now. We still have a hand.
We can raise your hands, guys. We're voting. Next time we'll be voting. Let's practice. Please
How
raise
many?
your hand.
Okay, we've got 2 hands, 3 hands.
No, I'm writing no right here.
Are you still voting? No. Okay. We've got 3 hands.
Right name and surname.
Right name and surname.
All right.
So 3 said no.
Yes, they think yes, it's cheaper.
So, in terms of banks, some banks will approve, others will reject it based on their appetite. But the experience that we had, so what happens is that, let's just say that, for instance, the example is 750. If the market value is 750 and this property is distressed, and they're selling it at market value, then some banks would really say that we don't want to be involved. But now sometimes if we are saying that, because this is how we justify with the bond originator, that it's worth 800,000, but we are buying it at 400,000. So then there was that equity. Hence I was even saying that equity for us is something that's a thing that we really want. Because now it also helps you in terms of, remember something, the bank is also looking at an exit. I mean, if let's say that exit strategy, if let's say you did buy it at 750 and there was distress, and now you can't pay for it. And now the bank is thinking, who want to buy at market value? So hence they will reject. But now if you come into them and say that, no, we're buying it at 400. So then it's based on their risk appetite in terms of what they go for with it or not. So some banks do, other banks don't. But for you to be safe, I would say apply to a bond originator. Remember, if you're applying at Standard Bank, then they reject you. Now you want to go to FNB, then they reject you. Only to find out that SA home loans would have accepted you, but by that time, your credit score is messed up.
So when you buy a property through your share of auction, that's non-negotiable. If you're buying it through your aid, you give the rates and taxes. But now, if you are buying it through an estate agent, or if you are doing a normal sale, remember, properties can't be transferred into the next person's name unless if they have closed on the debt. So now it could be a conversation between yourself and the buyer or the owner of the property. I want to purchase your property and then I will pay off, but now I'm going to be taking it away from the purchase price. So if we agree on, let's say, 500,000, then you are owing 100,000. I have 100,000. I'll give you the 100. No, I'll pay the transfers. However, that property is going to be unguaranteed after that. afterwards we have concluded. Because remember, the property won't be transferred until the revenue section is closed. Put it at basic level. The reason why we love buying properties below market value is that it explains refinancing and equity. Because we don't talk about equity. We say no equity. So when we're speaking, okay, can I just 2 minutes? 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, sure. So now there's something that's called equity. So the equity is the difference between the market value of a property and what we bought it for. So market value, 1 million, we bought it for, let's say 500 and 600,000, right? We fix it up, it's in a good condition. Now it's back to its value of 1 million, right? Now there's something that's called equity, right? Remember the loan that I got from the bank was the purchase price, which was the 500,000, right? Now what you could do is that you could go back to the bank and say that I want to refinance, right? So refinance meaning that I want to access that 500,000, right? So now that I've accessed that 500,000, the thing about it is that once you access the 500,000, your loan now is no more 500,000, it's 1 million. So now the thing is, if I go and refinance, what happens to my cash flow? It's going to go down because my bond went up. So in your portfolio, at no point should any property be running at a loss. Every property, we can see it as a portfolio, and then we also need to look at it from its individual capacity. So if I'm saying that this one, it's running cash flow negative, I can't have that in my books. So what I would say is that looking at that 500, if you were to refinance, it's going to put you on a negative amount. Even if you are going to be buying another property cash, but that property in itself is going to be cash flow negative, and you don't want that in our portfolio. And some people say that I don't mind that. I'll get it to a negative, but our other property will be. But now that's not in our portfolio. How we actually.
And that's a wrap. After today, man, you need to really understand that you need a property investing coach to assist you position yourself in the best way possible.
For me, what really stood out is the importance of having a structure, and this is one of the things that we don't pay attention to as first-time beginners, because I'm not thinking about getting an accountant, I'm not thinking about getting a trust, I'm not even thinking about registering my property and the business. It's more of which location is the best. So it comes back to understanding the fundamentals. That's why we host such workshops. How can we go back to the basics and get it right the first time?
Now, also looking at opportunity cost, this was something that we really needed to understand as property investors, that if I do hold on to this property, what other deals am I missing out on?
We need to be careful when it comes to emotions. And now, when there's numbers involved, emotions will be less. So I urge property investors to attend more workshops like this so they can understand the basics when it comes to investing like a pro.
I'm looking forward to having you in the next event, man. For now, invest like a pro.
With Nong.
Cheers.